Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to Channel 6 Network's 9 p.m. bulletin. Here are tonight's top stories. Congress has slammed the BJP over Home Minister Amit Shah's remarks on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In response to the growing tension, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge warned that the party would not tolerate the atmosphere created by the BJP. He also announced plans for a nationwide movement, rejecting the BJP's narrative about former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Ambedkar's differences, calling it false and misleading. Moving on to tragic news from Rajasthan, an inferno on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway has left several dead and many injured. Eyewitnesses have described the chaotic and fiery scene, as the region mourns the loss of lives and hopes for the swift recovery of those affected by the disaster. In Haryana, veteran politician Om Prakash Chautala has passed away at the age of 89. His death marks the end of an era in state politics, leaving behind a complex legacy of leadership and controversy that will be remembered for years. On the international front, Russian President Vladimir Putin has signaled his willingness to negotiate an end to the ongoing war in Ukraine but has set conditions for any compromise. As the conflict continues, both sides remain entrenched, with no immediate resolution in sight. In a recent scuffle in Parliament, the BJP has accused Congress leader Rahul Gandhi of assault, a charge that Congress denies. This altercation has further deepened the divide between the ruling BJP and the opposition India bloc, with both parties trading accusations over the events that transpired. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is in the spotlight after his visit to the RSS headquarters in Nagpur. This visit is a part of the tradition where BJP MLAs and ministers visit the RSS headquarters during the winter session of the state legislature. Since splitting from the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena in 2022, members of the Shinde faction have also joined these visits. In Andhra Pradesh, authorities have launched an investigation after a woman received a dead body in a package, accompanied by an extortion demand of 1.3 crore rupees. The police are working to identify the deceased, determine the cause of death, and uncover how the body ended up in the parcel. The Kshatriya Seva Samiti has also been summoned for questioning. In Mumbai, the search is ongoing for a missing 7-year-old child after a boat crash in the city. A case has been registered against the operator of the Navy craft, with charges of negligence and rash navigation. The damaged ferry has been moved for further investigation, and the Navy has taken custody of the affected vessel. Finally, the Lok Sabha has referred the One Nation, One Election bill to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for further review. Supporters of the bill, including BJP MP Kangana Ranaut, argue that it will streamline elections, saving taxpayer money and enabling a focus on more pressing national issues. The future of the bill now rests with the committee. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for joining us on Channel 6 Network. Good night.